Nifty eyes new highs, market bullish amid positive global trends and cooling US inflation. As a reminder, Wednesday is a stock market holiday at Wall Street, with both the equities and bond markets closed in observance of Juneteenth. Now, the good news: the US retail sales rose only modestly in the month of May, suggesting that domestic consumers are slowing their spending. Well, the US retail sales data potentially provides further support to market bets on a September Federal Reserve interest rate cut. So, the two big positive catalysts from Wall Street. 1. Signs that US inflation is cooling. 2. And most importantly, the US economy is slowing, but still holding up. Long story short, uncharted territory shall continue to be the new normal for benchmark Nifty. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, both FIIs and DIIs were net buyers to the tune of Rs 2569 crores and 1556 crores respectively. Sentiments for the day is likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating higher highs lows. F&O June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,700 to 24,000 zone. India VIX has cooled further towards 12.96 levels. Nifty PCR, 27th June, is at 1.17 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 26th June, is at 1.05. Nifty outlook: all bullish eyes on Nifty to 3750 and more to come. Nifty, CMP to 3558. Support, 23,450 to 23,350. Resistance, 23,650 to 23,750. Range, 23,450 to 23,750. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 50441. Support, 50,200 to 50,000. Resistance, 50,800 to 51,000. Range, 50,200 to 51,000. Bias, sideways to bullish. Nifty's new record high now is at 23,579.05 mark. Sensex new peak is placed at 77,366.77. The bull market seems to be unstoppable and, most importantly, is flashing signs that Nifty could hit another all-time high. Yesterday, Late Avenues Technology, Ixigo, made a bumper debut of at CMP 162. Market capitalization, 4,226 crore rupees. Late Avenues Technology is the parent company of travel aggregator Ixigo, has made a stellar debut marking a premium of 78% over the issue price of 93 rupees. Please note, Ixigo's was subscribed 98.34 times. Defense stocks are on fire after Defense Minister Rajnath Singh set an ambitious target to export over 50,000 crore rupees worth of defense equipment by 2028 to 2029. The stock price of Hindustan Aeronautics, HAL, Mazago Dock, Paras Defence and Cochin Shipyard continue to hog limelight. All bullish eyes on Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's 7th consecutive union budget, which shall trickle in probably in second half of July. As part of pre-budget consultations, FM Sitharaman is scheduled to meet representatives from industry associations on 20th June evening. The street is hoping that the economic strategy shall include initiatives to accelerate reforms and, most importantly, aim to transform India into a $5 trillion economy and achieve its mission of Viksit Bharat by 2047.